Mail call, yeah? Alright. Addresses are gone. So there's this chap I follow, Des Cattys on YouTube, and he sent me a package. Very cool. I don't know what's in it. On the back it says wooden, on the customs declaration sheet, it says wooden cutlery. Let's find out. I hope it's something he made. I get a big kick out of stuff that people make, especially in this bushcrafty type environment. I think he made the box. It's alright, I made the box that I sent him. Oh, there's a note. Right on. So, this is one of the things I was hoping to get, and if you didn't send one, I was going to buy one. It's a Bushcraft by Des Cattys patch. Dig it. That's awesome. On the outside there's a little bit of a note. It says, "Hi Gary, hope you like some of the rubbish I've sent you. Take care buddy, Des Cattys. All made by me," and some of his fabulous artwork. That's supposed to be a thumbs up, it says. Apart from the badge, he didn't make the badge. Didn't make that patch. So. Oh, no doubt. That's awesome. I was actually thinking about making one of these. That's smashing. Awesome. A bit like Dennis the Menace, I think, running around with this thing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go practice on some cans, I think. Wow. Well made too. Very cool. Yay. Oh, bit of char cloth, which is kind of funny because I have a need for this in the very near future. Bit of a spatula, excellent. Fantastic. It's a spoon, much better than this. Actually, very comfortable. Right on. If you eat proper, you hold your spoon proper, it's cut for that. I was taught to sit at a polite table. It's excellent. I hope he hasn't watched the videos where my hack job of a spoon or spatula. Nice, excellent, fantastic. This is a bit of a cutting board. Brilliant. That'll get used. Actually, all this will get used. I don't know if I want to use a spoon. It's very nice. I like seeing the creativity that goes into some of this stuff. My father, when I was a kid, used to get all these nifty little things carved from work. He worked at Electric Boat, and there was a guy there that would carve, or just as busy work, just sit and whittle during lunches and such, and he did caged balls and all that nifty stuff. So the artwork that goes into making a hand made item, the interpretation of each thing, it means a lot. It does. It certainly means a lot in the fact that you would give somebody else something that you did by hand also means a lot. And I was going to make one of these. Well, leather satchel with some stuff in it. Cool. Some odds and ends, some fobs and tags and such. Keychain. Very cool. Even a quick disc. It's a little bit of a shock cord. Very cool. You put one of these fobs on a knife. I already got one on that one, so. But I'm building one anyway. So this is very cool. And I liken the char cloth being the gift of fire. The gift of fire, it means they want you to survive, they want you to do well, they want you to prosper. So that's how I take it. This is very cool. I'm speechless. This is I absolutely appreciate the whittled items and everything else as well, but really puts my spoons to shame. Very cool, Des. Thank you very much. Thank you tons. I'm gonna go shoot some cans, I think. I think I got some BBs or something upstairs. Definitely put some work into this stuff. I wonder if I can hit anything. Thanks, Des. It's awesome, bro. I haven't shot a slingshot in forever. All I have are BBs. Let's see. Way off. I'm bouncing back past me. Yay! This is freaking awesome. I gotta ask if you made the pouch also. It looks like it might have been run through a machine. Des, did you make the pouch also? This is very cool.